Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Quana. I finally got my hands on the R.E.M Beauty Wicked collection and I have a chance to try it out today. I am going to do two different looks, one using the Galinda set and one using the Elphaba set. So this is the Galinda set, and yeah, we'll get into what all the products are, and I'm going to try to use as many as I can.
Okay, y'all, I didn't want to spend too much time on this, but I did want to try out these eye masks that came with the collection. The packaging for it was so super cute, but yeah, so I took those out. They were like this cute little iridescent shade, and they felt very moisturizing. So it says to leave them on for 10 to 15 minutes. So while I left those on, I did my eyebrow routine just so that I wouldn't be impatient and take them off before it was time. But yeah, they felt like really any other eye mask, but I liked them and I think they're really cute. And then I also used the glow drops that came with it. This was moisturizing and it just left little glitters on my face.
I'm gonna go ahead and start with the Galinda set, and I've gone ahead and done my base makeup just so that I don't spend too much time on things that are not related to this Wicked collection. So I've done all of that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start with the blush so that I can finish my base before I do my eyeshadow. So in the Galinda set, there's this cute little blush that can also be used as a lipstick. I think I'm gonna rub it on my hand and then just pick it up with my brush. It's very, very bright. It actually matches my shirt like really well. That's pretty. I like that a lot. Very creamy. I'm gonna go ahead and do my concealer and set that, and then we can move on to using some more of these. Now that I have my base makeup done, I'm gonna go ahead and start with my eyes. I'm gonna use just a little bit of an eyeshadow base, and I'm gonna take this one that I always use, and I'm only gonna put this really in the crease area above my eyelid because I do plan on using the liquid eyeshadow that comes in this Galinda set, and I know from using Fembot that they do not layer over other products well, so I want to leave my lid space clear. Now I'm going to move on to the eyeshadow palette. From the eyeshadow palette, I'm only going to be using two shades for this Galinda look, and it's going to be the shades Thrillifying and Goodness Knows. Start with Thrillifying in my crease. I like this shade. It's like a lot more pink on my skin than it looks in the pan. Now on an even fluffier brush, I'm going to take the shade Goodness Knows and just kind of use that to diffuse this out a little bit more. And to kind of be my brow bone highlight. Simple cute. Now taking the liquid eyeshadow that comes in this Galinda set, and I'm putting it on my hand, and then I'm going to apply it from there. I like to spread them out first and then like tap it on. Okay, I'm not loving this. I've let it dry for a minute. I'm gonna just use it straight from this and see if it does better. Oh God. This is the problem I always have with her liquid eyeshadows, is that they like separate in weird places. And it like picks up product. Okay, that's a fail. I'm gonna use the eyeshadow palette. So now I'm gonna take the shade Perfectly Pink, and I'm gonna apply this with my finger. It's like a really chunky eyeshadow. Now taking the same shades I used in my crease, I'm gonna put these on my lower lash line and just blend them out really messily. I'm gonna use this blue eyeliner that came in that set. Just use this in my bottom waterline. I'm gonna add some lashes and then I'll be back. Okay, I've added lashes and mascara, so now I need to move on to the lips. So with the Wicked collection, we got several different lip products. We have the lip stains. There's 3 different shades for the lip stain. And then we also got the blushes that act as a lip cream as well. And then in our Galinda set, we got this lipstick. It is called You've Been Galindified. I love how all the Galinda stuff has these little bubbles. They're just so cute and like little stars. I'm not going to be able to use that lipstick on its own, so I think I'm going to use a lip stain as like a lip liner. Use this darkest shade, Made in Oz. I love how the tips are made because they're like flat, so you can get a precise line with them. Maybe I'll do another layer. That's so pretty. It's pretty on its own. And it doesn't feel drying, it feels very smooth. Pretty. Okay, it's been a few minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and add the lipstick on top. Very nude. I personally won't be wearing this without like blending it into something darker because I'm a brown girl and I feel like that shade just doesn't look good on me. So like on its own, it's a very pretty lipstick though. You can see all the little glitters in it. It doesn't feel glittery, which is nice. Oh, there's a gloss too. I actually already used this, but it's so pretty. I'm gonna use it on top. It's not sticky at all. My wand's already like pink. Anyways, that's the Galinda set. I really like it. I really love the blush, all the lip products. I'm not a big fan of the liquid eyeshadow. I don't know, it's like I like it, but sometimes I just apply really weird and I haven't quite figured out how to make them work. So yeah. Move on to the Elphaba Set now. Okay, y'all, I'm back to do the Elphaba Set. As you can see on my lips, I did use a makeup wipe to remove this, and that lip stain stayed really well. Like, love it. It's just so cute. I have my base on again. The blush in the Elphaba Set is called Destined to Fly. It's like this really dark purple. So I'm going to use it the same way and just rub it on my hand and then take a brush and use that to apply it. I thought I was going to want to mix it with the pink blush from the Galinda set, but I actually do like it on its own. It's really pretty. I think I'm going to go crazy with the eyeshadow. Just do it like really bold and dark and green. I'm going to start off using Positively Green. And slowly start bringing it up and blending it out. I don't think I intended for this to be like this big, but whatever. I'm going to take the shade Espresso and use that to blend out this green. It's very cool toned, very almost gray looking. Pretty though. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try out the liquid shadow. I still think I'm gonna put it on my hand and try to apply with a brush. Fan it out and then tap. It's working. Now using the shade Normal is Overrated, I'm gonna pop this into my inner corners. I really can't halfway see what I'm doing, so hold on. Okay, now using the eyeliner that came in this set, I'm gonna put this in my waterline. Okay, that's the end of the Elphaba Set. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you stuck around to the end, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!